Hey everyone, my name is Naimaskar and I'm working with Bizlockr. Today we will be exploring Gamma AI, one of the most innovative AI-powered platform for creating professional presentation, documents, and web pages. Throughout this session, we will learn what Gamma AI is, why it has become so popular, its key features, and how can you use it for saving time, improving productivity, and create visually appealing content with minimal effort. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how Gamma AI can enhance your work and make content creation faster, smarter, and more efficient. So, Gamma AI is one of the most exciting AI powered tools available today for creating presentations, documents, and websites. In the past, creating a professional presentation required a lot of time. We had to think about layouts, colors, fonts, animations, and designing every slide ourselves. This process could take several hours or even days. Today, AI has changed the way we work. Gamma AI allows us to create beautiful presentations in just a few minutes. Instead of spending hours designing slides, we simply provide our ideas and Gamma AI automatically creates professional looking content. During this session, we will explore what Gamma AI is, why it is becoming popular, its main features, how it works, benefits and limitations. We will discuss some practical examples. We will discuss best practices, and we'll also discuss some tips for creating amazing presentations. By the end of today's session, you will have enough knowledge to start using Gamma AI confidently. So let's get started. So, before creating a course, you have to follow some steps. First step is to create a course outline. But before that, we want a topic for that. We should create a course. So, first step is select a topic and then create a course outline for that topic. We will create a professional course outline with the help of ChatGPT. So combination of both ChatGPT and Gamma AI is wonderful for creating online courses. You can create your first draft with the help of ChatGPT and you can eventually create content for that outline with the help of Gamma AI. So it's time to create course outline for the topic AI for beginners. Create a complete course outline for the topic AI for beginners with two modules, and each module must have two lessons. So this is the simplest prompt. ChatGPT is creating professional course outline for the topic AI for beginners. From here, you can see we got course description. This is beginner-friendly course introducing learners to world of AI. After that, we got target audience for this course. Beginners interested in AI, student and lifelong learners. Then we got some objectives. And then most important part, that is course structure. We got module number 1, understanding AI, and then it's lesson 1.1, that is Introduction to AI. Then we got lesson 1.2, types and applications of AI. And there is module number 2, using AI in everyday life. Then it's lesson 2.1, introduction to AI tools and prompting. And then lesson 2.2, responsible AI use and the future of AI. So this is our first draft. If you want to make any changing, if you want to edit it, if you want to add something in the module or lesson, you can do it right away. If you want to delete something, if for example, you don't want to add this point in your course outlines, you can simply remove that. This is totally up to you. How do you want to design your course? How many modules you want in your course? How many lessons you want in your course? So I have created 2 modules and 2 lessons for demonstration purpose only. This is totally up to you, and it's totally up to the amount of content you want in your course. So after creating our first draft, the next step is to create content, to create presentation for this course outline. So for that, we have Gamma AI. As I have told you earlier, that Gamma AI is an AI-powered content creation platform. Let me open Gamma AI for you. Simply open Gamma app and here we go. So basically, Gamma AI helps users to create professional presentations, documents, web pages, reports, proposals. So instead of creating slides one by one like in PowerPoint, Gamma AI creates an entire presentation automatically using AI. Gamma AI will automatically generate slide titles. It will automatically write the content. It will choose colors for your slides. It will choose themes for your slides. It will create wonderful layouts. It will add images for you, and it will format everything professionally. So this saves a huge amount of time. So I show you how Gamma AI works. So from here, you can see what would you like to create: a presentation, web page, document, social, or a graphic. I want to create content. I want to create presentation for my course outline. So I will select option number 1, that is presentation. And the next block, you can see paste in notes, outline, or text content you'd like to use. Type or paste in content here. What you will do, you will simply go to ChatGPT and you will copy your course outline, that is module number 1 and module number 2. Simply copy and paste it over here. Okay, AI for beginners, module number 1, lesson 1.1, then lesson 1.2, module 2, lesson 2.1, and then lesson 2.2. The next thing is, what do you want to do with this content? Here you can see the 3 more options. Read these options carefully. First option is generate from notes or an outline. This basically turns rough ideas, bullet points, or outline into beautiful content. As you can see, our course outline is in the form of rough ideas, bullet points, and an outline. So we will select option number 1. Let's explore two other options. Number 2 explains summarizing long text or documents. This is basically great for condensing detailed content into something more presentable. And if I check option number 3, that is preserve this exact text. So this is shown from the heading that it basically create content using your text exactly as you have written it. So this is all about these three options. I'm selecting option number 1 because my content is in the form of rough ideas, bullet points, and outlines. So after selecting option number 1, I will click on continue to prompt editor. Wait for a moment. Yes, this is the next page. Okay, you can see here one more option. You are almost out of credits. Upgrade for longer tags, better AI, and more credits that refresh monthly. So I will tell you one important thing here that after signing up with Gamma AI, you will get 400 bonus credits. You will use those 400 bonus credits for creating content, for creating presentations. So use those 400 credits wisely. I have consumed all 340 credits. I am left with 60 credits only. Once I will consume these 60 credits, I will be required an other sign up for Gamma AI. So for another sign up, I'll be required another Gmail account. So nobody wants to use their primary Gmail accounts again and again, as there are some limitations from Google as well. You can't create a lot of Gmail accounts. So this is a problem. How can we solve this problem? We have a solution for this problem, and the solution is Emailnator. www.emailnator.com. Always remember this website. This website is very useful. This website basically creates temporary or disposable Gmail accounts, you can say. You can create as many as Gmail accounts you want, and you can use these Gmail accounts for signing up with Gamma AI. One more interesting thing is here that you will also get a temporary inbox in Emailnator. So you can use this temporary inbox in Emailnator for resetting password for that Gmail account, and you will simply use that reset password link, and you will reset your password, and you will get another Gmail account and fresh 400 bonus credits that you can use for creating content, for creating presentation. So always remember this website. This is very, very important website, emailnator.com. So coming back to Gamma AI, as you can see, there are many options right and left and in the middle as well. So let's discuss about this option that is at the right side, that is additional instruction. If you want to prompt or if you want to provide any additional instruction beforehand, before creating slides, you can simply write it over here. For example, if you do not want to add any kind of images in your slides, simply write down here. If you do not want to add some table, if you do not want to add some flowcharts, You can simply write down beforehand. But on the other hand, if you want to add some images, if you want to add some tables, if you want to add some infographics, simply write down here. So this is totally up to you. How do you want to design your slides? So if you check the left side, there are many options over here. You can see 4 rectangular boxes over here. First one is about amount of text you want. If you want minimal kind of details in the form of bullet points or headings, you can go for minimal option. If you want concise details, that is more than minimal. If you want a little bit detail about those headings, about those bullet points, so you will select option number 2. But if you want a detailed and um, slide with more content, you simply go for detailed option. So I will select detailed option for my presentation. But on the other hand, if you want very bulky and heavy duty slides and heavy duty content, so simply go for extensive option. So the next thing is about language. So beginners and curious learners with little or no prior AI background. And then we got a language option here as well. From here, you can change language as well. I am changing to British English. And same go for this option as well. So always go through each options carefully. Output language English UK. Now we are coming to very, interesting part, that is about themes. This is one of my favorite part and option, you can say. So there are a few themes. If you click on view more, you will get so many themes. How do you want to design your slides? How do you want to give them a color? From here, you can choose color themes, and everything is here for you. So let's select one of them. Okay. For now, I am selecting body and ink. Simply select theme, and we are done with the theme options as well. Now coming to image source option. So this is basically about what kind of images you want in your presentation. So actually I want web-based images, so I will go with this option, that is web images. If you want stock photos, you can select this option. There are other options as well, like AI-based images, illustration. So this is totally up to you. And there's one more option, don't add images. So this is very interesting. I will select web-based images. Now coming to the middle part, that is about freeform and slide by slide. In freeform, your control is of moderate level on your slides, but on the other hand, in slide by slide, you have a high control on your slides. For course creation, it is recommended to go for slide by slide, but you can select freeform as well if you want to do most of the work done by AI. So this is totally up to you. Don't get panic. One more option is here. You can add and delete slide from this option as well. So this is totally up to you. One more thing, if you want more than 10 slides, you must go to upgrade version, and then you can generate up to 100 slides. So there is no need to go for that option. We can create more than 10 slides once we have done with creating slides. I'll show you how we can do that. So we will come to this part later, maybe in our next session. For now, I am creating 8 slides. Maybe you can create 4 slides. This is totally up to you. Let's go for 4 slides. And then I'll show you how we can increase number of slides once we have done with creating our slide content. So after selecting and going through each and every option, I'm going to click on generate button. Wait for a moment. So Gamma AI is creating slides for us. At this stage, we have to do nothing. Literally, we have to do nothing. You simply have to sit in front of your laptop and watch Gamma AI, how beautifully it is creating slides and slide content for you. So people love Gamma AI because it makes presentation creation extremely easy. Some reasons behind its popularity include it saves time. A presentation that normally takes 4 or 5 hours can often be created in less than 15 minutes. Secondly, the design look modern and professional. As you can see, everything is in front of you. Thirdly, it automatically organizes information into logical section and user do not need any design experience. And you can see it's done. I'll show you by going through present option and then selecting full screen mode. So AI for beginners, understanding AI tools and how to use them. So this is version 2.2, 2.1, 1.2, 1.1. So this is how Gamma AI works. This is how Gamma AI can create slides for you. Now let's explore some more features of Gamma AI. Right click here on slide number 1. And if you want to add some more slide, as I have told you earlier, you can add more slide even after creating your whole content, your whole presentation. Simply go to duplicate option. As you can see, one more slide is added over here. And you can also go for add below option. By clicking add below, you will get a empty slide, and by clicking duplicate, you will get exactly the same slide as above. So by doing this, you can add as many as slides you want before going towards upgraded version. For example, I want to add a slide below slide number 7. So I will click add below, and I want to add one more slide below slide number 8. Simply click add below. Now I want to add one more slide below slide number 9. Simply right click on slide number 9 and then click on add below. Now I want to add one more slide below slide number 10. Simply click add below. Now from here you can see I have added 11 slides even after creating my presentation. So this is the way to add more slides, this is very easy. Do not go for upgraded version. Simply use this technique and you can add as many as slides as you want. So this is one of the way to add more slides. So this problem is solved. Now I show you some more wonderful features of Gamma AI. Coming to slide number 1. For example, you don't like this image, you can even remove this image. This is totally up to you. If you want to change the background of slide number 1, you will simply go to styling option and then you can go to edit option and then you can go to this search bar, what kind of images you want. If you want web-based images, go for web image search. If you want AI-based images, stock photos, accent images, this is totally up to you. Actually, I want web-based images, so I will select web-based images. Now, I will search for images relevant to my course topic, that is AI for beginners. From here, you can see there are a lot of images. I will select this one for background image. So this is the background image. Now let's adjust this background image. If you want top layout, click on top. If you want left layout, click on left side. So image is moving towards left side. If you want right layout, go for right. And if you want background layout, simply go for background layout. So this is how background layout looks like. But one thing I'm noticing over here that my content is not visible at all because this background image is very sharp. So I need to adjust this. So by going towards option overlay effect, I will select faded one. Now you can see my text is clear now and it's visible. So there's one more option other than faded, that is frosted. If you want to go towards frosted option, that is totally up to you, but I like faded one more. So I will select faded option. Now coming to slide number 2. For example, you are thinking that this content is not enough and you want to add more content. For this heading, that is AI for beginners, what you will do, you will simply ask agent. An agent is basically AI assistant that helps you in improving your content and adding images and removing images and editing everything with respect to your slides and designing. So simply click on agent option and ask agent, please provide more content for this slide that contains 300 words. And if you want to remove this image, you can even ask agent, please remove this image in this slide as well. Now click enter. Wait for a moment. Agent is working on our prompt and it's done. This one is the original slide with minimal details, minimal content, and this image. I asked agent, please provide me more content containing 300 words and please also remove this image. So agent worked on our prompt and we got this modified slide with no image and with 300 words. So this is how agent works for us. So this is very helpful feature of Gamma AI. You can use it for editing, for improving content for your slide. So this is all about Gamma AI, how Gamma AI works, and we discuss some main features of Gamma AI as well. So basically, there are many benefits of using Gamma AI. First of all, it saves times, it increases productivity, it creates professional looking design, and this is great for beginners. You will get AI generated content, and this is very amazing tool. You do not need any kind of designing experience. So there are some limitations of Gamma AI as well. As you know, AI generated content should always be reviewed and some advanced feature required a paid plan. So you do not need to go for advanced options, advanced features. Simply use your mind and as I told you some tips, simply follow those tips. So there will be no need for going for advanced options. Now let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned that Gamma AI is an AI-powered platform that helps users create presentations, documents, and web pages quickly and professionally. We discussed its key features, how it works, who can use it, and the benefits it offers. Gamma AI is not here to replace your creativity. It is designed to enhance it. By combining your ideas with AI, you can create high quality presentation more efficiently than ever before. I hope today's session has given you a clear understanding of Gamma AI and inspired you to explore its feature in your own work. So that's pretty much it from my side. If you have any questions, any queries, any concerns, do let me know. I would love to answer them. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.